Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Now we will enjoy about reading room of Tamim. Tamim will describe about his reading room. So let's enjoy.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you're keeping cool. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today my topic is about my reading room. A reading room is a place of reading. It is a perfect place for studying. Every student must have a separate reading room. I have also separate reading room of my own. It is at the corner of my house. When I enter my reading room, my mind becomes soothed. I can easily initiate my studies. That's all about my today presentation. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.